Describe how you listen to music. I listen to music every day after school. I usually use my phone and headphones. I like pop songs because they are fun and easy to sing. Sometimes I listen to music in my room or on the bus. Music makes me feel happy and relaxed. It helps me forget stress. When do you listen to music?
I listen to music every day after school.
What do you use to listen to music?
I use my phone and headphones.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop songs
Why do you like pop songs?
because they are fun and easy to sing.
Where do you listen to music?
In my room or on the bus.
How does music make you feel?
It makes me feel happy and relaxed
Why do you listen to music?
because it helps me forget stress.